All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the 1-1 exit slip answer key and talk about them a little bit. Your job, you have the paper copies now, is to make sure that you are writing down the correct answers, listening to the reasoning here and trying to understand the question, and we'll answer some of your questions if you have them. My goal here for question A is it says which questions are below are statistical, and identify all of the answers. I know a statistical question we learned is that it's a question where I can generate data, where I can get a variety of answers, not just one, so I can look at a data set to get information from it. So in this case, on letter A, what is the average height of the students in your classroom? I could talk to a bunch of different teachers and I could ask them this question and I'd get a lot of different answers because kids would be different heights and different grade levels and things, or even if it's in the same grade level. And we could get a bunch of data and then somehow graph that or chart that to help us learn some things about the average heights. So that question is statistical. Question B, what is the tallest building in the world? There's only one answer. So we know if there's only one answer, I can't get a variety of data with that, so that would not be statistical. Same thing with letter C, how many letters are in the alphabet? I could just tell you there's 26. That's only one answer, so I don't get data from that. And then question D, what is the difference in age between the oldest person and the youngest person in your family? So I could ask that to all of you guys and I'd get a different answer. So again, I'd have a lot of data there that I could generate and graph or chart somehow to make some decisions with. So letter A and D, those are both correct. They are statistical. And in question B, when it says explain how you know one of the questions is statistical, we've talked about that already. I just put it down here, make sure you get it written, because I could get a variety of answers from choices A and D. And I could use those to generate a data set, and I could graph them or do different things with that data once I have that. Okay, so question A and D are the correct answers, and make sure you have those written down, and we'll talk a little bit more now about it if you have questions about that.